Hey guys, welcome to our channel. JBL Tune 720 BT versus Anker Soundcore Space One. Want the best budget wireless headphones in 2025? Now here's a quick head-to-head breakdown. So the first one is JBL Tune 720 BT. So JBL Pure Bass sound delivers deep but balanced bass with clear mids and highs. It has Bluetooth 5.3. It is foldable, lightweight design, up to 76 hours battery life with fast charge, like 5-minute charging equals to 3 hours backup. It is affordable at around $80, great for everyday listening and calls. The downside of this headset is no ANC and volume may feel low to some users according to Reddit posts. Now let's talk about the Anker Soundcore Space One. So Anker Soundcore Space One offers active noise cancellation, LDAC, high-res audio, multi-point pairing, and customizable EQ via app. The battery life is 40 hours with ANC on and 55 hours without or plus fast charge, like 5 minutes equal to 4 hours backup. The comfortable fit with wear detection through some report rumble bass that can be harsh. The criticisms is slightly soft build, sound is lively but can be treble heavy. So pick the JBL Tune 720 BT if you want unlimited battery or crisp sound on ANC and no ANC actually, and a lower cost. And you can go for the Anker Soundcore Space One if you need ANC, high-res audio and EQ tuning, even if slightly heavier and pricier. So here is the final verdict that bottom line for pure battery life and value, JBL Tune 720 BT wins. But if you want noise cancellation, high-res audio and flexibility, the Space One is the smarter buy in 2025. So hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which one you are going to buy. And thanks for watching. Till next time.